This may not be the right time. I'll get her to do it, but it may not be the right time.
Okay, well, for some reason I can't
Vicky?
see you. Wait,
Vicky?
turn on the light. Wait a second. Wait.
You're not going to get it tonight. She's not going to do it tonight. I'm just telling you.
Okay.
Babe, your timing is horrible.
No, here.
Vicky? Hey, Vicky? Babe, she's got to be in the right mood.
She's in the right mood.
Vicky? Come here, Vicky. Come here, baby. Come over here. Vicky, what's your problem, Vicky? You got problem tonight? Tell Grandpa your problems. What are your problems? Tell me. What are those problems? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, you got problems? Oh. Did your boyfriend break up with you? Oh, Vicky. Oh, tell Grandpa. I know, baby. I know. It's okay. It'll work out in the end. Grandpa promises you. Okay. All right. You get another boyfriend? All right. Thank you, Vicky. No, it'll work out. It's all right. All right. It wasn't Justin Bieber, was it? Is it Justin Bieber? Vicky? It's Bieber! Oh, no! It's Justin Bieber! Oh, no! I'm going to call him. I'm going to call his agent. And I'm going to tell him he broke your heart? All right. All right. All right. All right. We'll talk to Justin Bieber. We'll get him figured out. Okay.